Imagine this. You're standing in the middle of mountains and a world of hidden treasures waiting to be uncovered. Welcome to the thrilling world of gemstone hunting, where adventure, curiosity, patience, and just a pinch of luck collide in the most exciting way. Gemstone hunting is more than just a hobby. It's a heart-pounding journey that anyone can embark on. Whether you have a hobby or a seasoned explorer, the chance to find a glittering gem beneath your feet is something you can't resist. It goes beyond being just a fun pastime. It offers a unique blend of adventure, curiosity, patience, and a touch of luck. The chance to uncover a beautiful natural treasure and thrill of discovering a sparkling gemstone hidden in the dirt creates a sense of excitement that is hard to resist. Can you picture it? The rush of excitement as your hands sift through the dirt and pull out something amazing, an authentic treasure sparkling in the light. It's not just about finding gemstones, it's about the adventure, the challenge, and the feeling of discovery that you can't get anywhere else. And here's the best part. You don't need a PhD in geology or decades of mining experience to start your own gemstone hunt. With a few basic tools, a spirit of adventure, and a bit of knowledge, anyone, yes, you, can dive into this exciting pursuit. No expertise required, just a love for the outdoors and a desire to find something extraordinary. Gemstone hunting isn't just about digging and sifting. It's about connecting with the earth, diving deep into the secrets of geology, and learning where the gems are most likely hiding. Research is your best friend, so take the time to read up on local geological history, dig through online communities, and join forums where other passionate hunters share their tips, finds, and stories. Every gemstone you find has an incredible story to tell, one that starts deep beneath the earth. These treasures are born under immense pressure and heat, forged in volcanic eruptions, tectonic shifts, and millions of years of natural magic. They're not just rocks, they're ancient artifacts of the Earth's incredible power and beauty. The more you learn about how gemstones are formed, the more you'll appreciate them. With each discovery, you connect deeper with the Earth's geological history, and that connection will fuel your passion for hunting them down. Now, let's talk about where to find these gems. The first place you'll want to explore: riverbeds and streambeds. These natural treasure troves are constantly being reshaped by water, exposing gems that have been hidden for centuries. You'll be amazed at what the flowing waters reveal, making each visit feel like a new adventure. Beaches, especially those in volcanic regions, are another great spot. The forces of nature wash gemstones up onto the shore, waiting for you to spot them in the sand. The hunt becomes a treasure hunt, with every wave potentially revealing a new find. Feeling adventurous? Head to the mountains. They might be a challenge to navigate, but the rewards are worth it. Mountainous terrains hide some of the rarest gems on the planet, treasures waiting to be unearthed by the determined. But it's not just about luck, it's about being informed. Dive into historical records, research past finds, and tap into online communities where gemstone hunters share their knowledge. The more you know, the better your chances are of finding something truly extraordinary ready to gear up. Every hunter needs the right tools. A rock hammer for breaking open rocks, a hand lens for examining those tiny details, and a small shovel for digging into the earth. These essentials are your first step to becoming a gemstone pro. Want to step up your game? A metal detector can be a game changer. It'll help you unearth hidden gems buried deep beneath the surface. It's like having a secret weapon for finding metallic treasures that are hard to spot with the naked eye. You found it, the gem. But now, what do you do next? Is it valuable? Is it a rare find? Gemstones can be tricky to evaluate with the naked eye, so make sure to reach out to gemologists or experienced collectors for advice. They'll help you identify your gem's true worth and tell you its story. Consulting with a professional can turn a simple rock into a priceless treasure. And who knows? You might just discover that your find is worth more than you ever imagined. Gemstone hunting is more than just the thrill of discovery. It's about connecting with the earth, learning the secrets of nature, and creating memories that last a lifetime. Each gem tells a story, and now you're part of that story. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your tools, head outdoors, and dive into the adventure that's waiting for you. Who knows what treasure you'll discover next? Visit our website folkmarketgems.com for learning about gemstone hunting tips. Subscribe to our channel for more educational videos, and don't forget to comment below on what you want to learn next from Folk Market Gems.